por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo, tú eres una prueba.
Hey friends, it is day 3 of our trip and we are headed to the Yunque Rainforest. So we picked this particular tour because they had transportation to and from the rainforest. It comes with helmets and life vests, and they also take pictures.
So in this tour, not just only you can appreciate that beauty, but you're gonna be able to play with it, you know? That's amazing, you know? Take your experience from here to here, you know what I mean?
We made a pit stop at Walgreens to change clothes and to pick up snacks.
Shoulder wise. Why? If you slide, put it back in. Second, we're gonna hike up. I'm gonna hear like, ah! Ah! You know what that means? No, that means that you need a little bit more cardio in your life. But then we're gonna go down. And going down is not about cardio. It's about articulations, choose terrains, balance, muscle. If you're going down and you feel unbalanced, unsafe, you're gonna lower your body down. When your booty is close to the ground, it's good. Height, you're gonna use your hands to keep balance and trek in. When we're rock climbing, 3 parts of your body is gonna be touching something. 2 hands, 1 foot, 2 feet, 1 hand. This is the only safe place I can say this. Crack is good. So when we go in the forest, we're gonna look for cracks where you put your foot between those cracks and do not move. Okay? When we step inside, we do it between the roots and between rocks, places when you step, your foot do not move. I prefer slow and steady than fast and not steady. Okay? When we go hiking over here, you're gonna see water with mud. I want you to embrace the water and mud, because then you're gonna go to the corners where slippery slopes are and you're gonna fail. When you step on the mud, your foot do not move, and it's no way that you're not gonna get muddy today. Okay? Now, how many non-swimmers I have? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Michelle, conteo, 3. Okay? So, for last, I don't call you ma'am, people, guys. I call you family, fam. Why? All you guys gonna live in experience today, and we're gonna live this together. We're gonna be there supporting each other. I'm gonna get this guy over here, and he's on the cliff. And I say, Papa, you can do it, and everybody's gonna say, yeah, you can! You can! Because we're family today. That means I don't use a whistle to call your attention. I only use a whistle for imminent emergencies. Flat floods, currents coming down. If you listen to whistle out of me or one of my tour guides, you have to abandon the water as fast as you can. I'm gonna repeat that just in case you were not paying attention. If you listen to the whistle 3 times, you abandon the water as fast as you can. This is nature, it's not a place that we control. Okay? We just manage safety around that. Okay? In all the parts, I'm always gonna be in front of one of my tour guides. Why is that? I do stops. Family, we're doing this as a family. I don't want you to be like crazy. We do a stop, we do this as one. Take advantage of those stops. Why? Because you're hiking looking down. When you stop, just look around, embrace that beauty. We're not in the rush. Okay? Sounds good? Sounds good. Elias, have a plastic trash bag. When you're finished with your water, you can give it to him and he's gonna take care of that. Okay? Remember, everything you have on is gonna get wet, and everything that is not attached will be.
We made it to the forest! Look.
Gonna look like blue. They're really beautiful. But you know what is the problem about that? They're not from here. They're beautiful, but they're not from here. They go by rhizome. They grow by rhizome. So basically, once you put one in the field ready, you just take over. And that becomes a problem in these areas in upper levels of the forest, because I cannot go to Home Depot and buy Roundup. Because, well, the damage is going to be more. I have to take it one by one. When they overgrow, after the years,
That would be a question I would have too. Like, why my group doesn't have helmets? We're 10 minutes in, I believe.
Okay.
No, it feels like 30.
Yo! I don't know what I say that. Now, this is practice. Now we're gonna go to the real stop.
Oh no.
Yo, fam, this is my last stop. We're gonna go down. This is what I like to do. I like to go down and keep going all the way to the top to the water slides. Why? Weather of the mountain sometimes can be unpredictable and change fast. I would like to do the water slides because it's changed, that could be changing for us. So we're gonna go up, we're gonna go crazy, and we start over here. How you say, we go hard or we go home, you know what I mean? We're gonna do all that, and on the way back, we're gonna be having time to jump, to do rope swings, to take pictures, whatever you need.
Looking
we're
a hot
gonna
mess.
spend a few minutes down here so you guys can, you know, ease off and get a peaceful time, okay? But before we got down, Alpinia purpurata, which is that beautiful red ginger or Hawaiian
Yes.
ginger, is just gonna be decorating your ceiling. It's just beautiful. It's used for hotels, for bouquets, are really nice. Remember the rabbit hole? Welcome to it.
I see a river. I guess we're going to the river now.
I think I'm gonna go straight down
I
the
feel like
path.
it would be easier right here.
Yeah,
Right?
I'm going straight down the path.
Wait, let me do it first. Yeah, this is good. Come this way. Oh. Be careful, it's very slippery right here. Very slippery. You coming in the water?
I don't think we're supposed to go.
Oh, I am. Oh, it's cold. Uh-oh. Oh, that felt so good. He said, who's in the water? That would be me.
Rồi chưa? ahí no hay nada y lo que hay son montón.
Oh man! Oh, down! You're cheating!
Why is she sitting down?
¿Qué pasó?
Oh, look at my hair. But yeah, we just got out of the rainforest and I survived. I survived. My hair needs rejuvenation, my body, but I made it. And Tasha's coming, so I'll, yes, please. We climbed mountains, we climbed cliffs, we've trekked through mud and rivers, like literally. They jumped off a cliff, I didn't. And what else did we do?
I gotta put my wet ass in the seat.
Oh, sorry, I didn't. Oh, we went down water slides. We made it, Tasha. Woo! We did it!
And I look cute doing it.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. All right, so we are, I'm not sure where we are. They pulled us up here, they dropped us off, and they said, hey, figure it out and go get you some food. You have 1 hour to do it, and if your food not ready in an hour, guess what? You got to go. So we're about to go look for some food within the hour because we survived, and then we'll be headed back to the hotel. Shots. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this one.
Día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? Por todo yo brindo.
Oh, you got the best seat
Lo feo hasta lo lindo.
in the
Tú eres
thing.
una prueba que el
Oh, that's the
mundo
potato
a mí
ball.
nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable. Ay, todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo uno más. Siempre a medias no he logrado encontrar mi otra mitad. El tiempo dirá, el tiempo
Our fan is
dirá.
about to take us back
Y
to
cuando
the
la encuentre de ti no me voy a acordar.
I'm so tired. Where they going? Thighs hurt.
Ahora con quién voy a compartir.
Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Here, take our picture. Wait, Frankie. Let's take a picture too. Okay.
Tú que cumplís un año y casi te vas.
nice meeting you guys. What's your name?
Scorpio
Yes. Dallas, Texas in the building. Bye, everybody. Be safe. Adios. Adios. Scorpio. There you go. Bye. Oh, wait, you're tough. Okay. Marley. And thank you too. You're amazing. He's quiet, but he's good. Yes, he's very good. He's very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, everybody. Guys, I am back from Serafina. The food was really good. Like at first I thought my salmon was burnt because it was like black around the rim of it. So I was like, this looks burnt, but it wasn't burnt. The outside was crispy, and then the inside was like soft and moist, which, you know, it was good. And then it had spinach and lentils, which was really good. My drink was like a tea. I don't know what it was, like a tea mixed with a juice of some sort, but I just asked for sweet tea. You know, I don't expect to like a lot of drinks when I go and get drinks, so it is what it is. But I drank it and it was good. It was different, pretty much. But I do recommend Serafina if you're here. It was very delicious. So right now I am back in the room. Tasha is not. I'm too tired and I'm sleepy, and the rainforest was enough for me for today. That's it for me. But Tasha, she is still wired up. She is downstairs partying at the lobby. There's a bar there. We have a casino here, and she is living the life, and I'm living through her because there's no way I'm gonna last much longer. It's like 8 something. I'm in the bed and I'm about to go to sleep. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, yeah.